everyone, and I Love Natural Hair, aka Michelle, and in today's video I will be showing you how I make my mask for my hair. And if you're interested, keep on watching. So I'm gonna be showing you how I make my mask for my hair. And the first thing I do, I get a bowl and I add some deep conditioners in it. Whatever deep conditioners you like, then you could use that. And so, and another thing is use the amount that's good for you. I eyeball it, I don't measure. So I'm gonna be showing you what I do. So I put a cup of fenugreek powder, a cup of neem powder, I do a cup of shikakai, a cup of aloe vera powder, a cup of shea powder, a cup of amla powder, a cup of brahmi powder, and I'm going to be mixing it all together. And I do a cup of hibiscus powder too. And I add some jojoba oil. I add some rapeseed oil, and I add some avocado oil, and I do add some almond oil too. And this is the almond oil too. Now I'm gonna mix it all together, and it's gonna be nice and creamy after I'm done. And then I'm gonna apply it to my hair. It's a little bit messy, so I won't be showing you that part. I'll just show you when I have it in my hair and how shiny my hair is gonna look when I put it in. So doesn't that look yummy? Looks like you could eat it. So this strengthens your hair and makes it really healthy, shiny, and thickness. So that's what it looks like with everything in it. I won't be showing you the application because it's kind of messy. I'm going to do that off camera, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I'm done. And it really stretches your hair. So this is what my hair looks like after I finish applying it. And after I rinse it out, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what my hair is looking like after I've finished rinsing out the mask that I created. and my hair feels really good. Yeah, guys, so guys, I'll come back and tell you all about it. Okay, so there's nothing in my hair right now. It looks pretty shiny. It's healthy. I'm just gonna put my deep conditioner in. I usually put it in the shower, but I just wanted you guys to see before I put the leave-in in. And this will help. Your hair grows regardless, and this will help in the aid of helping you to grow your hair. And this did work for my hair. I didn't just started using it. I started using it about 4 months ago, and it works for my hair. So I'm bringing it to you guys. Hopefully it can help you guys out as well. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.